Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage resources with Asana step by step clearly. To effectively manage resources with Asana, begin by logging into your Asana account. Once you're logged in, navigate to your project or create a new project if necessary. To create a new project, click on the plus button and select Project. Choose between a blank project or a template that fits your needs. After your project is created, give it a clear and descriptive name to reflect its purpose. Now, add tasks to your project by clicking on the Add Task button. For each task, include a concise title that explains what needs to be done. Next, assign each task to the appropriate team member by using the Assignee option. You can set due dates for tasks to ensure deadlines are met. Click on the Date field next to each task to choose the relevant due date. If necessary, add subtasks to break larger tasks into manageable steps. To add a subtask, click on the task and select Add Subtask. Using the Comments section, provide additional context or share relevant files. Regularly update the status of tasks to reflect progress. Utilize tags or custom fields to better categorize your tasks and resources. To prioritize tasks, adjust their order within the project based on urgency. Monitor workload by checking the workload view in Asana. This feature allows you to see how resources are allocated across your team. Adjust assignments or deadlines as needed to balance workloads effectively. Encourage team members to communicate and collaborate directly within Asana. Utilize the timeline view to visualize project timelines and dependencies. As the project progresses, hold regular check-ins to assess resource allocation. Make adjustments on the fly based on feedback and project needs. After completing tasks, mark them as done to keep your project organized. Finally, review project progress periodically to identify areas for improvement. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.